Hi friends, now we are going to look how a Java coding is running. First we want to understand how a Java program is working. So first in a notepad we are writing our Java codes and save that particular file in a hello.java file like this. Now this is our hello.java file and this is our codes. So this is our code, and after that we are serve that particular file as the hello.java. After that in the compiler we are going to type java hello.java, that particular file, and we compile that. After the compiling successful, you can find that there was a class file is created. So this hello.class is our file. This is our file. When we are compiling, this file is created. After that, when we are type java and the class name hello, and when we are enter this, then it will execute the JVM, Java virtual machine. It will run the particular hello.class file in this Java virtual machine. When we enter that, it will run our hello.class file in the Java virtual machine, and it will print the hello world in a devices like this CMD. So first we want to create a hello.java class file, and we want to serve that, and after that through the CMD we write the Java, the particular file name, and we enter that. It will compile and create the .class file, and after that when we write Java and class name, and it will run our class file in the Java virtual machine, and the virtual machine is print the particular output in our devices. So like this the Java code is working. But in Java you heard that word, Java is the platform independent. So if we are writing a source code for printing something, it will run in the Windows system, Linux system, Mac system as same as that. So no need to write the coding for the platforms. So it is advantages in the Java. So how this is possible? Because we write the source code and compile it, and it will create the bytecodes. This bytecode is going to run in the virtual machine. These virtual machines are different for the Windows system, but it will run the same bytecode and it will produce same outputs. So the virtual machine is different for the platforms. So we are run the particular code not in our machines, it will run in the Java virtual machines. So that's the reason it is the platform independent. So this is like this. This system you can understand it very clearly. So the particular coding is run same as that in the every machines, and that most of the Java program is used to that create the web application, desktop application, create the games, and create the ATM programs like that. We are going to use this Java. Java is the multi-threading programming. Multi-threading programming is available, and Java is object-oriented programming manner. So we can create the objects and we can run the objects, and we can reuse the object in our other programs also. So that also one advantage in the Java. So thank you.